So just come on to Porth Beach. I do actually like this beach. I came on here yesterday and did some footage from up there, so I'll put that just on after this little segment here. But yeah, I do like this beach, it's quite nice. I don't know why. I think the tide's in actually, because it was a bit further out yesterday when I came down here, walking back from Newquay. But yeah, there we go guys. I'll do a 360 for you. I'll just do a 360 as in like bird's eye view for you. I think I might have to get my feet wet a bit here to get off, because I just come on this side, it's a bit dicey, them steps are. I tell you what, if you lose your footing, you're gonna have a serious injury. You've got to really be careful going down them. But I might go back on the other side, save a bit of time, so I ain't got to walk all the way around. So it just means going through a little lake, a stream or whatever. But yeah, it was definitely out a bit further yesterday. But yeah, Porth Beach guys, check it out if you're around here. Porth Beach. Look at Porth Beach. Don't know if you can hear me, the wind's blowing at no end. Swing it around. going to fly off any minute, but that's Newquay in the distance. We're at just the other side, Porth Beach. Well, pretty much at Porth Beach. There's a cliff edge on there. I'm not going to. It's windy enough here. Oh shit! Yeah, man. So, go outside this cliff. See how far I've got still. That's, I don't know what that place is. That's not it. Over there. So, we've got about a 4-mile walk to do. Probably 5. It's nice to see the coastline. To like, wow, yeah. Just a random hole in the ground. Imagine like coming down here at night and that thing what they put over it ain't only nobody will know, would there? So another little beach. You can actually get down to it by them steps at the back. Yeah, don't know what this one's called. Must have a little name or something. If I find it out, I'll put it on the description on the screen.